Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making broccoli ham casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out here with my Tefal Dutch oven. A lot of people have been asking me about this. They discontinued this model, but they sell other Tefal square pans. Just have to look online. It's going to be a real easy one pot meal. I'm going to start by adding 4 cups of milk into my pan. Then I'm going to add 2 10.5 ounce cans of cream of mushroom soup, guys. Now we're not adding any salt to this because the cream of mushroom soup and the cheese we're going to add in has enough salt. Just want to get them down in there. Alright. Now I'm going to add in a tablespoon of granulated garlic. You could also use garlic powder. And I'm just eyeballing that, guys. A tablespoon of onion powder. Give that a stir. Get that mixed together. And if you don't blend it perfectly, as it bakes, it will melt together. I'm just breaking up my mushroom soup here, mixing my spices in. Alright, now I have a 1 pound box of elbow mackerel, and we're going to add that in. That's raw. And that there will help break up the mushroom soup a little better. But like I said, no worries if it doesn't all dissolve, because it will dissolve as it bakes. Okay, now I have a pound of ham that I diced up. That's going in. That's going to be a really good casserole, guys, and it's really easy. I have 2 cups of Velveeta cheese I diced up. And if you can't get Velveeta, shredded cheddar cheese will work just fine, guys. Put that down in there. And I'm going to add a 12 ounce bag of frozen broccoli florets. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven uncovered for 1 hour. That'll bake everything through, cook it, and then this will be ready to go. Alright guys, this is done. Now when I took it out of the oven, I had to stir it up to mix everything together, blend that cheese through. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Nice and cheesy. That's really good, guys. The elbow macaroni is cooked through. It's al dente, but it's cooked through. It's creamy, it's cheesy. Ham is tender. And that broccoli. Who doesn't love broccoli and cheese, guys? Give that a taste, if I can get it. That's really delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Broccoli ham casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.